Hello friends, welcome to our Premium Institute channel. Friends, आज की इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे सेंसस 2011 डिटेल्स. Let's start the video. Introduction. First census in India was started during the tenure of Lord Mayo in 1872. Regular census in India was started during the tenure of Lord Ripon in 1881. First census of independent India took place in 1951 AD when R.A. Gopalaswamy was the census commissioner. Census come under Union subject under Article 246 of Constitution of India. Sweden is the first country to conduct first census in 1749. America is the first country to start decennial census in 1790. Census organization works under Union Minister of Home Affairs whose highest authority is Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India. Important detail about Census 2011. Motto of 2011 census is Our Census, Our Future. Census Commissioner during that period is Dr. C. Chandra Mouli. Estimated cost is approx 2,200 crores rupees. Between 2001 to 2011, decadal growth of India's population is 17.7%. The population of India recorded a negative growth rate in 1911 to 1921, that is minus 0.31%. Population Census 2011. Total population of India is 121 crore 8,54,977, which is approx 121 crores, which is 17.5% of total population of world. Male population is 51.47% of total population. Female population is 48.53% of total population. Urban population is 31.2% of total population. Rural population is 68.8% of total population. In state, highest population in Uttar Pradesh, 20 crore. Minimum population in Sikkim, 6 lakhs. In Union Territory, most populated is Delhi. Least populated is Lakshadweep. Rural population in state, highest rural population in Himachal Pradesh, 90%. Lowest rural population in Goa, 37.8%. Urban population. In state, highest urban population in Goa, 62.2%. Lowest urban population in Himachal Pradesh, 10%. Decadal population census 2011. The decadal growth rate gives an overview of the total population growth in a particular 10 years. In state, highest decadal population in Meghalaya, 27.95%. Lowest decadal population in Nagaland, minus 0.6%. In Union Territory, highest decadal population in Dadra and Nagar Haveli, 55.9%. Lowest decadal population in Lakshadweep, 6.3%. Population density of India. Population density provides the number of people living on a given area of land. Population density of India is 382 persons per square kilometer. In state, highest population density in Bihar, 1106. Lowest population density in Arunachal Pradesh, 17. In Union Territory. Highest population density in Delhi, 11320. Lowest population density in Andaman and Nicobar, 46. Next, sex ratio. Sex ratio is defined as the number of females per 1,000 males in a given population. India's sex ratio is 943. In state. Highest sex ratio in Kerala, 1084. Lowest sex ratio in Haryana, 879. In Union Territory. Highest sex ratio in Puducherry, 1037. Lowest sex ratio in Daman and Diu, 618. Child sex ratio. The child sex ratio is defined as the number of girls per 1,000 boys in the age group 0 to 6 years. In state, highest child sex ratio in Arunachal Pradesh, 972. Lowest child sex ratio in Haryana, that is 834. In Union Territory, highest child sex ratio in Andaman and Nicobar, 968. Lowest child sex ratio in Delhi, 871. Literacy rate. The literacy rate is defined by the percentage of the population of a given age group that can read and write. The overall literacy rate in India is 74%. In state, highest literacy rate in Kerala, 94%. Lowest literacy rate in Bihar, 61.8%. In Union Territory, highest literacy rate in Lakshadweep, 91.8%. Lowest literacy rate in Dadra Nagar Haveli, 76.2%. Scheduled caste. Total number of scheduled caste in India is 20.14 crores. State with highest scheduled caste is in Uttar Pradesh. State with lowest scheduled caste is in Punjab. No scheduled caste in Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Scheduled tribes. Total number of scheduled tribes is 10.43 crores. State with highest scheduled tribes is in Madhya Pradesh. State with lowest scheduled tribes is in Uttar Pradesh. Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and Puducherry have no population of scheduled tribes. Bhil is the most populous tribe with a total population of 4,618,068, constituting 37.7% of the total Sent population. Important questions related to Census 2011. 1. Which state of India has the lowest literacy rate as per the 2011 census? Answer: Bihar, with a literacy of 63.82%. 2. What is the sex ratio of India as per the 2011 census? Answer: 943. 3. What is the percentage of the urban population in India as per the 2011 census? Answer: 31.2% of the total population. 4. What is the population of India according to the 2011 census? Answer: the population of India is 112,10,85,497, which is approx 121 crores 5. Which state of India has the highest population density as per the 2011 census? Answer: Bihar, 1102 square kilometer. 6. Which state of India has the least population as per the 2011 census? Answer: Sikkim, with a population of 6 lakhs approx 7. Which state of India has the least population density as per the 2011 census? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, with a population density of just 17 per square kilometer. 8. Which state has the highest urban population in India as per the 2011 census? Answer: Goa is the most urbanized state with 62.2% of the population living in urban areas. 9. What is the literacy rate of India as per the 2011 census? Answer: the overall literacy rate in India is 74%. 10. Which state of India has a negative population growth rate as per the 2011 census? Answer: Nagaland. 11. Name the most densely populated state of India as per the 2011 census. Answer: Bihar. 12. Who is the 2011 Census Commissioner of India? Answer: Dr. C. Chandra Mouli. 13. Which state of India has the lowest sex ratio as per Census 2011? Answer: Haryana. 14. Which is the largest tribal group of India as per Census 2011? Answer: Bhil. 15. What is the second most populated state of India? Answer: Maharashtra. Friends, इस वीडियो में हमने डिटेल्स के साथ साथ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस भी कवर किए हैं. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो आप हमारे प्रीमियम इंस्टीट्यूट के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एंड हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक, share and comment karo, and don't forget to press bell icon for notification of new video. Thanks for watching.